Hello students, once again we are going to start with our first chapter, The Fun They Had, which has been written by Isaac Asimov. This is a part 2. In the first part, we have already seen that we were having two characters called Margie and Tommy. Tommy find out a real book, the book which you have, and then Margie and Tommy were talking about the olden time school. Olden time school means the school building which you can see on your screen, that you will have a school building, you'll have a friends. At particular time you'll go together to school, then you have a recess time. Even you can say once the school over, together you can chat, you can play together on the ground. This all the activity can be done if you have olden times of school. Olden times of the school means the school which we have, that kind of a school. So Margie and Tommy were talking about this type of schools. Then olden types of, you can say, the books also, because Margie and Tommy were not having the school building the way we are having. Margie and Tommy were having e-books, so they have never seen the real book which we are having, which pages we can turn, the pages we can touch. So for Margie and Tommy, it was a new concept, having a school building and friends together, sitting together, talking together, same timing. The teacher will be there. They were having mechanical teacher, that's called robot teacher, or you can say the mechanical teacher from the screen. They were not having human teacher the way you are having. So for Margie and Tommy, this everything is a new concept. Now let's move further with the part 2. So she said to Tommy, she is used for Margie, why would anyone write about school? So Margie said, why somebody write down about school? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes, because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. He added loftily, pronunciating the word carefully, centuries ago. Now here Tommy said, stupid, we are not talking about our types of school. We are talking about hundred and hundred of years ago. Even centuries ago, our forefathers were having this type of the schools where there is a school building, then they were having real book, and that's why in this book they have written about the school. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. So Margie was hurt. She was not actually able to understand that why there is a need of school, because Margie and Tommy were not having any kind of a school. They were having their computer, and at a particular time they were having online classes. Even you people will have online classes, but the difference is that even the online class will be given by human teacher. When we were talking about this era, at that time they were not having, you can say, a human teacher, rather they were having mechanical teacher. Margie and Tommy were belonging to the future that is a 2157, 2157. We are talking about that much future, and we are in the year 2020. So we are having school building, human teachers, students, bench will be there, everything can be possible. And this will be the year, you can say that 2157, where no school building will be there, no human teacher will be there. At a particular time, you have your own room, you have computer, you have to just switch on your computer. Your mechanical teacher will be there, and mechanical teacher is going to teach. And that's why Margie is little bit hurt, because the ideas regarding the teacher, that teacher will come and teach, the school building will be there, that she is not actually able to understand. Now here very nicely you can see the pic has been given. This, you can see this is a Tommy, this is Margie, they have real book, and in this book this particular school has been, information about the school has been mentioned, that there will be the teacher, there will be the students, they will sit together. This everything has been written in this particular type of a book. Now they had a teacher, it was a man. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Now, here, Tommy and Margie both are talking. According to Tommy, when they were having, olden schools, even in olden schools, they were having teacher. Now, for Margie, it is very, very difficult to understand that how can a man will be a teacher, because Margie has seen always a mechanical teacher. So Margie is not able to understand the idea that a human can be a teacher, because according to Margie, human cannot be smart. According to Margie, only mechanical teachers and computers are, or even robots are smarter. But here Tommy is telling that, it is not like that. According to Tommy, in olden schools, there were the teachers. The teacher used to explain the things. The teacher used to give the homeworks, and the teacher used to check the question answers. Now here again Margie is, you can say, they're not able to understand that. But according to Tommy, even his father, who is a man, who is a human, is knowing a lot many things which will be known by a mechanical teacher. He knows almost as much. I betcha. Betcha is an informal. Bet you. That is I'm sure. So here Tom is telling, I'm sure even my father knows as much as the mechanical teacher is known. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Now here Margie said, oh, this idea is not at all good. I won't allow any stranger man to enter in my house as a teacher also. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Now here, after hearing this, Tommy started laughing very loudly. And Tommy said that, oh Margie, you are not knowing the things. Actually, teacher will not come to the teacher will not come to the home to teach the students, but rather all the students together will go to a one particular type of a building where they will be taught by teachers. And all the kids learn the same thing? Sure, if they were the same age. Now here Margie is asking, then all the kids will learn the same thing? Tommy replied that, yeah, if they are of same age, if they are in the same class, then yes, they are going to learn the same thing. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Now here Margie is telling that, but my mother say that each teacher has to be fit according to the, you can say, the age of a boy or a girl. Here we are talking about fit means that mechanical teacher, because that was a, you can say, the machine, and you have to fix according to the age of a girl and boy. According to Margie's mother, each kid has to be taught differently. Just the same, they didn't do in that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Now, Tommy said, yeah, this is a thing which has been written in the book. If you don't like it, don't read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Now, Margie said that no, I haven't said like that, because she wanted to read that funny schools, because for Margie, that school building, the school, the teacher, everything is very, very funny. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. They were talking. It was only a, you can say, the half. And in between, Margie's mother called Margie. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. So Margie said that, not Mama just now. Now, said Mrs. Jones. Mrs. Jones is the name of Margie's mother. And it's probably time for Tommy too. Now here Margie's mother said that no, just now only you have to come. Even Margie's mother said that even it is a time for Tommy's school also, Tommy's class also. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? So Margie asked for the permission that after school, can I read something more with you? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means not showing much interest or enthusiasm, or rather carelessly. So Tommy carelessly said, maybe. He walked away whistling. The dusty old book tuckled beneath his arm. So, beneath his arm, he has tuckled, he has adjusted that, the real book. And by whistling, he went. Margie went into the schoolroom. So they were not having a school building. So they were not having a, you can say, the classroom. So one of the room which has been, you can say, just taken it granted as a schoolroom. Margie went into the same schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. So computer was already on, and that mechanical teacher was waiting for Margie. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. So for this school timing, okay, that are fixed except Saturday and Sunday. Otherwise every day the fixed hours there for this particular classes. You can see Margie's, you can say, the schoolroom where you are able to see the computer, keyboard, and you can see the headphones, and you can see here you are able to see the robots, because we are talking about the year 2157, and here you can see the Margie, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at a regular hours. According to Margie's mother, every day at a regular hours, if you are studying, then you can learn better. The screen was lit up as the computer was on. The screen was lit up, and it said, it means the computer screen said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. This was the topic of maths. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So here you have to also just fill your homework in that particular slot. Margie did so with her side. Means she is very sad. She is not happy. And then also she has put her homework in that slot. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Just now she is sitting, you can say opposite to computer, but she is thinking about that old school and the old school building. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came, laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. Now she is thinking that it is so fun that all the kids from the neighborhood, they all together will go to the same school. They will sit in the same class. In the recess, they will enjoy, you can say, each other's, you can say, the lunch box. They will have talk, they will have gossips, they will have fun, they can play together. And once the school is over, once again, they can go back together to their home. Even you can remember your 8th standard, even in 8th standard, even in 7th standard, and even in other standards. You were also coming, you can say, you can say, making fun together with your friends. You were giggling, you were talking, you were making noise, okay? Even you can say in a classroom, you were making, you can say, the fun with your friends. Once the school is over, together with making sound, with gossiping, with the laughter, you all together with your friends, you were moving. That all the thing is possible because of your school. The schools were there, that's why you were having that fun. Just now we all are at home, and that's why we are actually missing our school. I think you people are also missing your school. Let's move further. They learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. According to Margie, they all read together. They were learning the same thing, and as they were learning the same thing, even they can help one another with the homework. And the teachers were people. And again, if you have teachers, they can talk to you. Even you can share a lot many things with the teacher, because that's not the mechanical teacher. That's a real teacher who can understand your feelings and who can give answers by understanding your feelings, who can share your feelings. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fraction 1.5 and 1/4 and so on. The mechanical teacher was on and mechanical teacher was explaining. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now here Margie is thinking that how the kids were enjoying, in olden times. Even Margie was thinking that look at me, I'm alone, and alone I'm learning from the mechanical teacher. There is no fun. You can say learning from the mechanical teacher. There is no fun learning from computers. Even she is remembering there was a fun. You can say learning from the teacher. There was a fun learning from school, and there was a fun to be, you can say, with the friend. So she is remembering the fun they had. Here your chapter number 1 is over. With this particular chapter, we are having some of the question answers. Today, as this is our first chapter, this time I'm going to provide you questions along with the answers. But the next time when I will start with the second chapter, at that time I will only give you the questions. Answers you have to find out yourself from your textbook and you have to write down. This time, as it is a first chapter, it might be, you can say, the first time, so you might be not able to understand. So this time I'm providing you questions along with the answers. This all the question along with the answers you have to copy in your notebooks. In the very first digital class, I have already given you the explanation about your notebooks, and even I have explained you how you have to write it down. So again, with this I'm sending the pics of the question answers that you have to copy. Once the second chapter will be there, after second chapter will start, I will only give you the questions. Answer you have to find it out from your own textbook, from your own chapters, and you have to write down yourselves. Okay? Now on your screen you can see the questions, and below that you are able to find it out the answers. So these are all 4 questions from question number 5 to 10. So overall this all the 10 question you have to write it down in your, you can say, the notebook. Apart from that, again there are 3 more questions that also you have to write it down in your notebook. I'm sending, you can say, the pics of this question answers so that you can clearly see and you can write down in your notebook. Do remember, as it is the first time, that's why I'm providing you answers. From the next chapter you have to find out the answers yourself, and then you have to write down in your notebook. And that's why just pay attention while I'm explaining so that it will be easy for you to find it out the answer. Till then, bye.